Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to HUAWEI P20 Pro. First of all, open Play Store on both devices and tap on the search bar. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Then tap on Open. Over here, you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So open, I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. Over here you need to select Send on an Android and Receive on HUAWEI. Then tap on all of those type of dots and just send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a while though, so I will go into Photos category, select one of them like that one, choose Send and tap on Got it. Over here we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and after that select Receive or scan QR code. If you want to scan it, click on the scanning icon on HUAWEI. Click on Allow and point your camera at the code. Now we wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!